Okay, today we're gonna find out whether the little DJI Mavic Mini flies with the iPad Mini 4. So it's Mini and Mini here. Mini meets Mini. So what we're gonna show you what you need to start this project. Okay, is the here's the controller that comes with the Mavic Mini, and on the side here it has the we'll call it the OTG cable, which connects into a USB mini port and has a lightning port on the other end. Now the cables in the box come for all the popular phones, but I have an iPhone, so I'm using the lightning connector. So we're going to put that aside for a second. So what connector we're going to need is the this OTG cable that I got from Amazon. I'll drop the link below. It has a lightning port on one end and a micro USB on the other, and you can see that it's quite a bit longer than the other one. We'll call it 3 times as long as the one that came in the box. So we're going to plug the micro USB to the side here. Okay, that's plugged in now, and then we're going to take the iPad Mini 4, and we're going to find the lightning connector on it, which is on this end where the home button is. We're going to plug it in. Try to get all this on camera here. Got to work backwards here. So we're going to plug it in, and then we're going to stick. If you pull these things all the way apart, because I used to do this with my Mavic Pro, you can get the Mini the fit in here. So I'm going to actually disconnect this cable for a second here while I'm making this guy fit here. So you just spread it all the way out, and it locks in pretty good. Cause see how you can catch the ends here, and it kind of locks it in place. So then we're going to go back here and put our OTG cable back in the lightning port there. Okay, so now we got a connection. So we know we can get it connected, but we'll work with the drone. So okay, we're going to fire up the controller by hitting the button, long press, short press. All right, the controller's booting up here. So then the same thing with the drone here, the Mini. We're gonna long press, short press. I didn't do it right. Long press, short press. There we go. Now we got a connection. You can see the propeller's moving. There goes the gimbal. Holding the gimbal up because even on the table here, sometimes I've seen it get awful near to touching a flat surface. So I want to order the the arm extenders for this, but they're kind of on back order now. But anyhow, okay, now we got the drone fired up. Now I went ahead and pre-installed the DJI Fly app here, which is the app that the Mini works with, not the Go 4, but the there we go. Okay. And you know what? Before I even start anything, I'm going to go start a screen recording here so you can see what's happening on the screen. So let's go here. Sorry. Bear with me here if I remember how to do all this. Okay, screen recording is this button here on the iPad Mini 3. Okay. There we go. So now we're doing a screen recording. So let's go back here and look for the Fly app. And it's telling me it's doing a screen recording by the red thing up there, icon at the top there. So where's that Fly app? I know I put it on here, but I can't find it. It's I know it's on here. There we go. DJI Fly app. So we'll punch that in. Alrighty, let's see here. Oh, we got a Go Fly here. So we're doing the screen recording now. Oh, I didn't even touch it and it already came up. So it says take off with probably take off with care because it knows I don't have enough satellites to take off. It's a mobile device. CPU is fully loaded. Related performance will be affected. That's an odd one. Maybe it's trying to say my Mini's not powerful enough to fly with it. That's interesting. So, but there it is. You can see it running. You'll see it on the screen recording too. You know, we got live feed here, FPV feed. So we got kind of a strange notification up here. Yeah, maybe the Mini. I probably should have quit all the apps or turned Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off or something like that. So, but we do have maps. Okay. A short tip here. Do you guys know how to use the map feature? So if you, it looks like this, just with like a generic, almost looks like the Google Maps icon, but touch it once and it makes a small map there, and then you. I was attempting to go full screen there, but see, when you tap the map bigger, you lose that little radar thing at the bottom of the screen to tell you where your drone is in relationship to the to where you are. And this didn't work that great in the firmware version before the update that came out this week, but now it's a little more accurate in where you're positioning. So let's try this again. Okay, so we have the mini map there, and now we're going to touch the bottom corner, and I can't get it. That's interesting. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there's the big map. There's the FPV view, and now that little radar thing's going there. So, and look, the Find My Drone icon showed up in this map thing too. So, that's interesting. I didn't know that was there. So let's switch back again. I put maybe I switched the home point there. I didn't even mean to do that. So let's switch back there. Okay, let's make the map small again. Okay. Lighting environment, too dark, visual positioning, inaccurate. I got all sorts of errors. Again, because I'm flying it inside. GPS signal weak. Yeah, I'm getting all the things that you would get inside. I got 7 satellites up here, so that's interesting. But I will do an outdoor flight test with the Mini soon. But as you can see, you can fly your Mavic Mini with your iPad Mini just with a simple OTG long or OTG cable there. So works perfectly. So all right, that's Ron's tips and tricks here for this episode. So we'll be back with another one.